Did you know that most drivers on the road right now are rolling around with dangerous habits that could cost them thousands in repairs or worse, their lives? The scariest part, they have no idea. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on 15 secret driving techniques that professional drivers, racers, and mechanics don't usually share with everyday people. These aren't basic tips you learned in driver's ed. These are battle-tested secrets that will make you smoother, safer, and sharper behind the wheel. Stick around until the end because number 1 is the kind of hidden trick that can wake up your car's performance like you just gave it a factory reset. Let's dive in. Secret number 15, the mirror triangle technique. If you're still getting surprised by cars appearing out of nowhere in your blind spots, you're not alone. The problem isn't your driving, it's how you set up your mirrors. Most people adjust their side mirrors so they can see the side of their own car. That's actually creating massive blind spots. Here's the pro way: adjust your side mirrors far enough outward that you can barely see the edge of your vehicle. When done right, your rearview mirror, side mirrors, and peripheral vision create a seamless triangle of coverage with almost zero gaps. You'll lane change with confidence instead of whipping your head around like you're at a tennis match. BMW and Mercedes advanced driving programs teach this exact setup. Test it in an empty parking lot tomorrow morning. Once you feel the difference, you'll never go back to the old way. But mirror setup is just the foundation. Wait until you hear the parking trick that could literally stop your car from becoming a runaway missile. Secret number 14, the tire forward technique. Think you know how to park on a hill? Most drivers turn their wheels toward the curb when facing downhill. That's actually one of the most dangerous mistakes you can make. If your parking brake ever lets go, that angle turns your car into a ramp that launches it straight into traffic. Instead, point your front tires straight ahead against the curb, no matter which way you're facing on the slope. If the brakes fail, your car will simply bump gently into the curb instead of rocketing down the hill. Insurance investigators actually check tire position in runaway vehicle claims because it shows whether you followed proper technique. One simple wheel angle can protect you from massive headaches and liability. Now that we're talking about creating space for safety, let's talk about the distance most drivers get completely wrong. Secret number 13, the 4-second following rule. The old 3-second rule is ancient history. It was built for 1970s cars with terrible brakes and slow tires. In today's world, it's basically tailgating. Use a minimum of 4 seconds in normal conditions and stretch it to 6 seconds in rain, snow, or heavy traffic. Why? Modern cars have ABS, stability control, and emergency braking systems that need room to work properly. Following too close actually prevents those life-saving technologies from doing their job. Some insurance companies now track following distance through telematics and give discounts to drivers who stay safe. Real safety can literally put money back in your pocket. Secret number 12, the heel positioning technique. Here's something almost nobody teaches: where you put your right heel completely changes your control. Keep your right heel planted firmly on the floor between the brake and accelerator, then pivot your foot to work each pedal. This single adjustment gives you buttery smooth inputs, kills that jerky on and off throttle habit, and can improve your fuel economy by up to 8%. Professional truckers and delivery drivers use this religiously because it cuts leg fatigue and gives emergency precision. It also stops you from accidentally pressing both pedals at the same time during panic moments. Practice this on your next drive and you'll immediately feel the difference in smoothness. Secret number 11, the push-pull steering technique. If you're still driving with both hands at the top of the wheel, you're using an old-school method that actually hurts your control. Switch to the 9 and 3 position and use the push-pull technique. Push up with one hand while pulling down with the other, always keeping both hands on the wheel. This keeps your arms away from the airbag danger zone, gives you maximum leverage, and reduces shoulder fatigue by up to 40% on long trips. Racing instructors and long-haul truckers swear by it for good reason. Your body will thank you after the next road trip. Secret number 10, engine braking saves your life and wallet. Riding your brakes down long hills is a fast way to cook your pads and lose stopping power when you need it most. Instead, downshift even in automatics with manual mode and let the engine slow the car naturally. Engine compression does the work, cutting brake wear by up to 60% and preventing dangerous brake fade. Mountain drivers and truckers have used this for decades. It's called engine braking for a reason. You'll save serious money on brake jobs and keep your stopping power sharp when it really counts. Secret number 9, the flick hack for emergency situations. Sometimes you need to change direction faster than normal steering allows. Rally drivers use a clever weight transfer move called the flick. Quickly steer slightly away from where you want to go, then immediately steer back. This unloads the rear tires just enough to rotate the car faster using momentum. It's physics in action, but listen, this is an advanced technique. Practice it only in safe, empty areas first. Done right, it can help you dodge obstacles that would otherwise need a much wider swing. Secret number 8, threshold braking stops you faster. Slamming the brakes or feathering them both waste distance. The sweet spot is threshold braking. Press progressively until the tires are right on the edge of losing grip, then ease off just a hair. You're riding maximum braking force without locking up. Even with modern ABS, a skilled driver using threshold braking can often stop shorter because ABS is designed for control, not absolute shortest distance. Racers drill this constantly. Those few extra feet can be the difference between a scare and a wreck. Secret number 7, the heel-toe downshift technique. This one separates good drivers from great ones. While braking, use your right toe on the brake and heel to blip the throttle as you downshift. It matches engine RPM to wheel speed so the car stays smooth and stable. This dramatically reduces wear on your clutch and transmission. Even in automatics, understanding this helps you use manual mode like a pro. Race drivers developed it so they could brake hard into corners without upsetting the car's balance. Master this and your driving becomes noticeably more refined. Secret number 6, the key fob trick. Stuck in a huge parking lot hunting for your car. Hold the key fob against the side of your head and press the button. Your skull and brain fluids act as a natural amplifier, boosting the signal range dramatically. It sounds weird, but it works incredibly well. Radio engineers have known this principle for years. You'll look a little silly, but you'll find your car faster than everyone else wandering around clicking helplessly. Secret number 5, the winter parking strategy. Stop fighting ice every morning. Park facing east in winter. The rising sun hits your windshield first and melts frost naturally while you enjoy your coffee. It works even on cloudy days because UV rays still penetrate. Truckers and delivery pros use this daily. Bonus, in summer it keeps your car cooler in the afternoon. One simple parking habit that works with nature instead of against it. Secret number 4, the hand sanitizer ice hack. Frozen door or lock, grab hand sanitizer. The high alcohol content melts ice instantly. Put some on your key, work it into the lock, or rub it on the door seal. Emergency responders have used this for years. It's cheap, always in your pocket, and won't damage your car's rubber or paint. Secret number 3, the olive oil dashboard restoration. Faded, chalky interior plastics, skip the expensive sprays. Use extra virgin olive oil on a microfiber cloth. The natural oils penetrate the plastic, restore deep color, and offer UV protection. Work in small sections, buff well, and avoid the steering wheel and pedals. Detailers hate how well this works because one bottle can replace dozens of their products. The treatment actually absorbs into the plastic and lasts months. Warm surfaces take it even better. Your interior will look years younger for pennies. Secret number 2, the reverse gear backup camera override. Your backup camera is helpful, but it's creating a dangerous false sense of security. It only shows a small portion of the area behind you, distorts distance, and hides small kids, pets, and low objects. Professionals still turn their heads, use all mirrors, and do a walk-around first. Treat the camera as a helpful reference, not your main source. Insurance data actually shows more backup accidents since cameras became standard because drivers stopped using their eyes. Always look first. Secret number 1, the throttle memory reset technique. Your car's computer constantly adapts to your driving style. Over time, especially with lots of city driving or aggressive habits, it can get stuck in a lazy or overly sensitive mode. Reset it by disconnecting the battery for about 30 minutes. This clears the adaptive throttle memory and returns the ECU to factory settings. The car will relearn your habits over the next week, but many drivers notice sharper response and better fuel economy afterward, sometimes 10–15% improvement. Dealerships charge big money for services that often just do a similar reset. This is one of the simplest ways to wake up your car's performance for free.